Hi guys, this is Anna and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how I made this pajama set. So let's get started. So you will need soft cotton fabric, white t-shirt, threads, elastic, scissors, measuring tape and some chalk and also sewing machine. My fabric is a very soft cotton, 1.5 meter wide and 1/2 meter long. Fold the fabric in half. Measure the length of the shorts. My length is 36 centimeters. Measure it on fabric and draw a straight line. Measure up 12 centimeters from the bottom. From one side measure 4 centimeters and draw line. Measure 8 centimeters from the other side and draw line. There will be the back. Extend this line and mark 4 centimeters. Divide this panel in half. Add 2 centimeters. Join those points together. Then smooth out those corners and cut out the panels. Also cut the fold at the back side panel. Fold each panel face side up. And make a stitch at the inside leg seam. Trim half of the seam allowance. Turn out the panel and make another stitch. This seam calls French seam. Put one panel inside the other panel, so the face side will be on top. And sew the crotch seam. Trim half of the seam allowance. Turn out shorts inside out and make another stitch. Double fold the bottom. Pin it all the way around and make a stitch. Take the elastic. It needs to match your high hip measurement. This measurement is between your hips and waistline. Draw 1 centimeter on a shorts waistband. Then put the elastic and mark the width. Mark this measurement all the way around. Fold the seam allowance inside the shorts and pin it. Then fold 1 centimeter inside again and also pin it. Mark little hole for the elastic which we will put inside later. Make a stitch from mark to mark. Take two safety pins and pin one side of the elastic to the shorts. And another safety pin put on the other side of the elastic. Pull the elastic through the waistband seam. Take out the end and put the ends onto another. Make a back stitches to fix the elastic. Then hide the hole with a stitch. Make another stitch on top of the elastic to prevent elastic from twisting. This is how it should look like. Cut the rectangle 15 cm long and 12 cm wide. Mark 3 cm at the longer side. Then fold it inside and pin it. Then pin 1 cm inside again. And make a stitch on top. Press 1 cm seam allowance inside and put the pocket on top of the t-shirt. Pin it all the way. And make a stitch. Take what left from your fabric, put 2 layers of fabric and cut the rectangle with dimensions 20 cm and 10 cm. Fold this rectangle in half and smooth out 2 rough corners. Then, on the fold, mark 8 cm and draw curvy line. Cut the excess. Unfold the panels and take the head elastic 38 cm long and put it on one panel face side. Cover it with another panel on top, so the face side will be inside. Take some wadding and put on top, cut out the same shape. If you don't have a wadding, you can just use an extra fabric layer. Put marks for a hole so we can turn out the sleeping mask later. Make a stitch from mark to mark. Make notches on a curvy part so it's not gonna gather at that part after we turn out the mask. Then turn out the mask. After you press the seams, you can make a top stitch all the way around. Mask is ready. And also here is how my pajama set turns out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and I will see you next time.